G'day guys, my name's Chris. I'm the host of inthewild.com.au. Welcome back, and today it's a public holiday and I thought I'd take advantage of that and head to the coast and have a look for some shorebirds, some Rudy Turnstones, a couple of different types of plover, hopefully some waders. I'm really quite excited. I live and work inland, in the mountains, in the forest, so it's always nice to come to the coast. So guys, this is Pardoe Beach Reserve. It's a great spot in this part of the state, which is on the north coast, just east of Devonport, not quite towards Port Sorell. We see a lot of Rudy Turnstones. There's a couple of species of plover. You get some sea eagles cruising around. It's sort of a moorland, so just in behind the dunes, you see a lot of chats. I've seen some banded lapwings here before. It's just a great spot, and I'm always excited to come here because I never quite know what I'm going to see. Waders and shorebirds aren't my strong point because I live and work in the mountains. So today I've brought with me my field guide, Angus McNabb, The Guide to Tasmanian Wildlife. If you buy any book coming to this state, buy this one. The second edition is just about to come out. You won't regret it. It's photos rather than drawings. It's got all the Tasmanian species of mammal, reptile, amphibian, and birds. It's a great guide to this island. Being a public holiday, by Tasmania standards, there's quite a few people here. There's a few other less known options down the coast, so we might have to move there. But I've set up, we'll go for a walk, we'll see what we can see. I can hear some chats in the background, so that's going to be fun. Yeah, let's go for a wander. So that was really cool. I found a red-capped plover pair. Beautiful little bird. I was running an f-stop of 11. My shutter speed was 125. My frame rate was 60. The footage seemed to come out fine. All these shorebirds are quite vulnerable to sort of people driving on the beach and dogs and all those sorts of issues. So always fantastic to see one. I saw it fly in, land in the kelp, really well camouflaged. Yeah, what a great start. Oh, this is great. These Rudy Turnstones are up on the rocks. They look fantastic. Doesn't help that it's a public holiday, but yeah, this is great. Getting some good footage. Guys, this is Pardoe Beach Reserve. It's an all-use area, so we've got horses galloping on the beach and we've got people walking their dogs. But over to the right here in the kelp, there's a whole bunch of Rudy Turnstones fossicking around. So we're going to head over there and check them out. That was really awesome. I managed to get some great stills and some great video of some Rudy Turnstones. They've finally taken flight and moved off down the beach. That's fine. I'll head off in this direction and see if I can find a few plovers. Just come across a couple of pied oystercatchers, just grabbing some footage. They're actually surprisingly chill for what's normally a pretty skiddy, highly strung bird, so fingers crossed we get something usable. Just managed to catch some mating behaviour from the pied oystercatchers, which was really awesome. Silver gulls are just super common along the coast of Tasmania. Very difficult to go out and not to see one, but this one's in nice light and doing some cool preening behaviour, so I'll just get some footage. The most common large gull we get in this part of Tasmania is the Pacific gull. It's got the bright orange-yellow legs and beak with the bright orange spot. It's got a very big, heavy, triangular beak. You do occasionally get the kelp gulls, but they're very easy to tell apart, even though they're roughly the same physical size. They're a little less stocky. They've got green-yellow legs and beak. They've got that haunting horror movie cry too. great spot. Managed to get some cool birds, but I haven't got a whole lot of footage of plovers. So what we might do is pack up, head about 20k down the road, and there's another spot that I know is really good for double-banded and red-capped plovers. So I've come to a different section of the coastline, about 15 minutes away from where I was before, and it's an attempt to try and find some more red-capped plovers and hopefully some double-banded plovers. This is absolutely awesome. Just on this rock shelf here, there's a whole bunch of red-capped plovers. This is just topping the day off. We'll try and get a little bit closer and see if there's some double-bandeds there. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our little trip to the seaside. I certainly did. I don't get down here very often, so it was great to actually come down and see some shore birds. I'm really happy with the footage I got, and once I get home, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be happy with the stills as well. If you liked the video, please like it, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you see my next upload. Even though the channel's in its infancy, if you'd like to help me out, go to buymeacoffee.com/inthewild.com.au. All of my socials are the same, just inthewild.com.au, because it represents my website, www.inthewild.com.au. Guys, till I see you next time, stay focused and remember to always put nature first. Guys, thanks.